Hi guys, how are you? So don't forget, this afternoon at 5 p.m. in France, we will be sketching cars together. So it's my how to draw cars course online, but free for all. So every Tuesday we have this meeting together now since almost 4 months, during which a couple of hours we sketch cars. Sometimes we do also products, but anyway, it's interesting to share with you some techniques so that you can try with me while I'm sketching. You can do the same, and if you enjoy, maybe you can even subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss next meetings and next videos. Now, you can also do another interesting thing. If you really like the video or even this trailer, you can just share it among your friends or your classmates so that more people will come and watch what we do together, and most of all, how much fun we have together sketching cars, learning together, and of course trying with the objective to improve our skills, and of course including mine, because the more exercise I do for you, the better I get too. So this is the main objective of this channel: how to draw cars, sketching together, live, 5 p.m. Don't forget, be there, check your dual time so that you don't miss it because of the time, all right? Take care and subscribe. Ciao!